Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make finger puppets. It's going to be a surprise for you. So let's begin. So for the finger puppet, we will need one A4 sheet, one pair of scissors, and black, yellow and orange sketch pen. Let's begin. Now we are going to do coloring for the bird. Okay guys, so our bird is ready. So now I'm going to show it in the finger. Tick 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 tick. I'm gonna eat some food. Tick 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 tick. Tick 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 tick. Bye bye. Tick 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 tick. This is the mother, this is the baby, and this is the father, this is the elder sister. Actually, this is the father, this is the elder sister. Tweak tweak, they're flying away.